Alright, hi there everybody. There's this little clip right here. It's a waterproof clip that sits right there and there, and it unclips out one more over on the other rail right up there. You drop these four, unhook your thing, and then you take off these, unscrew them, set them down there, and then your pod just, and you just lift your speaker pod out. And then this time it'll be a good chance to wipe everything out, clean it all up before you put your, speaker pod back in. And you'll shove the wires right through there. And it connects into right there from underneath where the speaker pod comes through. Repeat on the other side. The other one's sort of up on top of the rail.